What's going on guys, Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to make professional posters in Kittl. Start by creating a new design. You can then select the size of your design. When it is opened, add a strong heading. Once you have added your heading, you then want to add supporting text. To do this, go to the left column and select text. You can then search for the type of design that you would like to use. You can then add in all the information that's needed. After that, it's time to add visuals or pictures. So to do this, go to the left column again, scroll down to photos, and then search what you need. Once you find the photos that you like, simply click it and it will be added to your poster. You can then change the size and move it around. Stick to 2 to 3 colors to keep it professional. Once you have completed everything, you can then go and export your poster in the right corner. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.